For this problem, the first thing, a couple things you want to have going through your head at this point is that, well, you know that the whole, whatever the whole was broken into 3 parts because the denominator is 3. And remember that the numerator says, oh, I have 2 parts of the 3. So when you look at these shapes, you know that you have 2 of the parts. So you can combine them, or you can think of them as, 4 triangles. So the only way to get 2 equal groups out of this picture is to think of one of the groups as 2 triangles and the other as 2 triangles. So those are 2 of the parts. And then if you're looking for 1 1/3, then you say, well, 1 whole. If this here is showing 2/3, then 3/3 would be 6 of the triangles or the hexagon. And then you need a third more. So you have a whole and a third more. So you can look at your 6 triangles and say, well, each of these is a third, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So we need 2 more to make a whole and a third more. So as long as your picture, your answer showed 8 triangles, you were definitely correct. Okay, so then for this one, we're really just looking for the whole. So this bar is showing 3/5. So I use the same thinking as I did on that first one. It's just a different image. So we know the whole has 5 parts. It's divided into 5 parts. And this picture is showing us 3 of the parts. So you might consider thinking, okay, that's what we have. Those are those 3 parts that we have. But the actual whole has to have 5 parts, 5 of these parts. And we know the parts are equal size, so just try to roughly get it to look like 5 little tiny boxes or whatever. So that's the whole.